Welcome to our house. Today we have the new body part skeleton.
It's the ultimate squishy human body.
Yeah.
Is your body squishy?
Yeah.
It is? Oh my gosh, you're so squishy.
Let's open it.
Let's do it. That looks like the dude from Mars Attacks.
He does.
We'll come back X-ray.
Whoa. That's what it looks like when it comes out.
Whoa.
And then we have the organizer. Get it? Organizer.
Organs.
It's the organizer.
Oh, yes. See, to put all your organs to be organized.
So yeah, it tells you about all the organs and everything.
How cool is that? Yeah.
Real muscle.
We're looking at a nice book to teach you about
Yeah, real muscle.
the body parts and everything. See, like right here? Look at this. What are these? Hey, what are these right here?
Kidneys.
Your kidneys, yes. That's where your pee-pee goes through and gets all these things, catch all the bad stuff. And that's why it's not good to hold it in, because you get kidney stones and then that's where you pee-pee. But a lot of things, see, it's telling you about your pee. Look, if your pee is light yellow, that's normal. If it's dark yellow, you're dehydrated and you need to drink more water. If it's pink, eating beets or rhubarb can turn urine pink. Urine is called pee. And I guess that's okay. Cloudy, you have a cold or an infection. So if it's cloudy-ish, then yeah, it's not good.
You ever had pink pee?
Never had pink pee.
What is that? Do you know what that is?
That's your coating.
Yeah.
What is it called? Read order.
Coding.
DNA. That's how you were born. All those little pieces work together. That's really cool.
What is this?
All right, put it on there.
Welcome to the ultimate squishy human body by SmartLab Toys. The scanner has two modes, SmartScan mode and Quiz mode.
Oh, Lordy guacamole.
Uh-oh.
He broke the arm. Oh, the skeleton man.
Wait.
Whoa. We'll figure it out. Put it on the stand.
I don't know how it's done before.
It's all right. We'll figure it out. See, son.
Hold on, Harper. You gotta break it. Right here.
All right. Well,
Did it come with the tweezers?
Don't bend it.
are you Quan Chi? Quan Chi is the master of
Let me see
skeletons.
the directions. I thought you were supposed to come with tweezers.
You know what's really cool? Is these are squishy.
This
That's why he's
is
the ultimate
squishy.
squishy.
Oh my God! Look at this, like real
It's real,
intestines.
yeah.
Daddy, this
Oh.
is squishy. Can I try?
Oh my God! Well, hold on. Well, come sit. Move those out of the way.
Get everything out of here.
Hold on. Wait. We gotta go in order. So we take the rib cage off like this. Maybe. It's right there. Oh, here we go.
So it's kind of like the advanced operation game.
Just wants to terminate this dude.
Okay, you got him.
Okay, hold on.
Wait. Hold on.
Dr. Harper. There's a pattern you have to follow.
Okay, it says gently twist the skeleton arm at the shoulder and pull it
Okay, well, we already
out
got that
from
off.
underneath the shoulder muscle. Okay.
Okay, so we got that.
Gently pull the muscle arm.
This you don't need
down
that for.
and out.
The muscle arm down and out.
The red is the muscle.
So pull this up and pull it down,
down.
this way.
I'll
Oh,
take
she
it.
already, she did it. Okay, that's
Okay.
good. Put it to the
Put
side.
it on the table.
Right here.
Alright. Bend the knee of the skeletal leg and gently rotate the femur.
Oh,
And the
stop.
ball
Hold on.
socket.
Wait. You are so eager to pull the guts out.
Did you rip?
No, I think that was already like that. Okay,
Skeleton
so
leg.
lift this up. Look, lift this up.
And
And
gently
then
rotate it.
rotate it which way, left
And
or
the
right?
ball and socket.
So rotate it like this.
Yeah.
Look.
And it comes
And
out.
that's how your body works, your bone.
Yeah.
So you could pop your leg out. That's why you don't want to be jumping off things, because you could pop it right out of your little funny face
And
thing.
it says twist and wiggle the muscled leg and pull it out of the pelvic bone.
Okay, let me get that one. Twist and wiggle.
The muscle leg. Man, we're dissecting this guy. Huh? Just taking him apart. Yeah, just wiggle, twist and
There you
wiggle.
go. Oh,
Take off his leg.
look at
Okay,
that.
next is the organs. So gently stretch out the intestines to see how they are coiled inside your
Okay,
body.
now this is
And
your
lift out
part.
the organs.
Gentle
So
if
be
you-
gentle. Don't
Gentle,
rip it.
not,
You
not
gotta do
hard.
it softly.
Right here.
And uncoil them.
Yeah, you real doctor.
So do it gently.
Ow! Ah!
And then put it on here.
The top part.
Go.
And that's all inside your body.
And see how they coil, so you can see all the
You're gonna rip
pieces.
it.
You might just want to use your hands. Use your
Yeah, just use your hands. And you can take it out. It's squishy, huh? Can I feel it? Let me feel it. I want to
Rip it.
touch.
Let mom feel.
I didn't get to see it yet.
You're gonna ruin it.
I
This
just
is
want
a
to
damn
feel
gum.
it. Oh, it is squishy. Okay, let's put it on the SmartScan. Is it
Put it
on?
on the SmartScan. Hold on, hearts. Don't mess with anything. Don't mess with the lungs. Use the lungs.
Okay.
Welcome to the scan mode.
Okay.
Place one of the smart parts on the scanner to begin.
Put it right here.
After the part is on the scanner, press
Okay.
buttons on the SmartScan menu for more information.
Okay, put it on.
Intestines. Choose Smart Parts,
Boom.
Smart Systems, Fun Facts, or Funny Sounds.
Funny sounds.
This one probably.
Now that
makes
is
you
what makes
fart.
you fart.
Yeah, that makes you fart. Okay, let's try something else.
Fun fact, an adult poops out about 100 pounds of bacteria every year. For more information, press the forward arrow. Here's a fun fact. Sweet scented farts may be in your future. A man in France has developed pills that can make farts smell like chocolate, roses, violets, or ginger. For more information, press the forward arrow.
Paying attention.
Okay, hold on.
Fun fact, not all animals have stomachs. When platypuses, lungfish, and seahorses swallow food, it goes straight to their intestines.
Okay.
Okay, next we're gonna lift
Choose
the.
smart parts, smart systems, fun facts, or funny sounds.
Okay, next we're gonna lift the liver and the spleen to gently untuck the kidneys from inside the diaphragm. Carefully pull and lift the kidneys and bladder to remove. Can you see
So
the
you gotta-
kidneys and the bladder? That's the one that looks like that. Right
Yeah,
there.
look, hearts.
Look, it
Yeah.
looks like that.
Your
Yeah.
kidneys.
Can you find those? And pull them out and then put them on the scanner?
Right here.
Right here, baby.
Right here. Yeah.
Gentle.
And then pull them
Oh, I mean,
down or out.
no, I can see.
Just don't do it too hard. Be gentle.
Right there. Do from the big liver.
The big liver.
The big.
No, you know what? Let's not do this. Because this is going to
Well,
cut
he's
it.
right. It's the liver and the spleen.
Not that ball. The liver and spleens inside. There you go.
Press a mode button to choose between
Okay.
Smart
Put it on
Scan
here.
and Quiz modes.
Is that part of
Okay,
it?
put on SmartScan. Yeah.
Goodbye.
Oh, I guess it has a timer where it turns off. Okay, so we're gonna turn it back on.
Welcome to the ultimate squishy human
I think it has to
body
be these
by
two.
SmartLab Toys.
I don't
Okay.
think that's part of it.
Scan mode.
So that's
Place
where
one
the
of the smart
kidney
parts on the
beans.
scanner to begin. After the part is on the scanner,
the
press
other one picked
buttons
up
on the
immediately.
SmartScan menu for more information.
The other one picked up easily. So there's something inside here. See? There's something in here. That don't. Take it out.
I thought it would do it.
No, it's showing you the 8 pieces that do.
Oh, okay. Alright, so next, Harper. Let's go to the next step. Okay, carefully lift out the diaphragm, heart, and lungs as one piece.
What about this little piece right here? What is this?
Kill the human.
I think that's just a piece of plastic. Oh, that's is that the heart? Yeah, you're supposed to take that out.
That's your lung.
Yeah, it says take the diaphragm, heart, and lungs as one piece.
Yeah, well, there's that over there.
And then carefully separate it. No, you can carefully separate it.
Take it out. Take out the heart.
Okay.
Ooh, look at that.
Gently remove the pancreas and spleen liver and esophagus from the diaphragm.
Press a mode button to choose between SmartScan and Quiz mode.
This is your lung.
How did I do that?
Whipped it.
No.
That looks like a piece of chicken.
You whipped
Goodbye.
Is this a different piece?
Liver and gallbladder. Press a mode button to choose between
Did she rip it or
SmartScan
what?
and Quiz modes.
Did you ruin it?
Liver and gallbladder. Choose
These
Smart
are very
Parts,
different.
Smart Systems, Fun Facts, or Funny Sounds.
That's what it sounds like.
Fun Facts. Has your vomit ever been green?
Yes.
That's because of
That's
bile.
not right.
Bile helps your body
That
digest
was, did you
fat.
hear it? She says your
Bile is
vomit
a
been
greenish
green.
Yellowish
That was
digestive
your vomit this morning.
made in the liver and stored in the gallbladder until it's needed. For more information, press the forward arrow.
Educational.
It's teaching you.
But
Here's
she
a
also
fun
had
fact.
peas too.
Your liver can regrow itself. In fact, people can donate part of their liver and it will grow back to its full size in about 6 months. The liver is the only organ that can do this. Liver and gallbladder. Choose
So there you
Smart
go. You can
Parts,
donate part
Smart
of your liver
Systems,
and it'll grow
Fun
back.
Facts, or Funny Sounds. Heart. Choose Smart Parts, Smart Systems,
The sound of your heartbeat. Try a different button. Here. We're gonna learn about the heart. Harper.
Heart. Choose Smart. Fun Facts. The lub-dub of your heartbeat is the sound of your valves quickly closing. For more information, press the forward arrow. Here's a fun fact. If all your body's veins and arteries were laid end to end, they could wrap around the earth 2 times. For more information, press the forward
Oh,
arrow.
about that one.
Smart Systems. Your heart
say it,
is part
but
of the
I don't know.
circulatory system.
How does it
This
taste
round
like
trip
that?
system moves blood throughout your body. Other organs in the circulatory system include your lungs and blood vessels. For more
And
information,
that's the
Smart Heart.
what you call
Your
it
heart
inside the
is
lungs.
a powerful pump in the middle of your chest. It's
Okay.
Okay,
Heart.
ready? Next
Choose
part.
Smart Parts, Smart
Okay, so
Systems.
we got all the stomach
That
and
was
that
fun.
and everything.
See you next
Okay,
time.
so it says head, spine, and back. Just holding the neck down, pull the peg out of the cranium, on the cranium, up and out of the hole in the neck vertebrae.
Ah,
Remove the skull cap, brain hemispheres, and eyeballs. This is where you get to pull out his head and the eyeballs. Be gentle.
Eat. That's not the cranium.
You gotta pull, there's supposed to be a pin. Somewhere. Pull the peg on the cranium up and out of the hole. It says. You see a peg? Should be something.
stick in the box.
That says buttocks.
Oh, you got it. Okay, we're gonna
Uh
expose
oh.
the brain.
Whoa.
Oh, there we go.
The brain.
The brain. Yeah.
That's what your
And you can
brain
take out the
looks
brain.
like.
Oh no! The trick is
See, when you get angry, that's what your brain's doing.
That's what it looks like.
When you get happy, that's what your brain does.
Brain.
Sends signals. When you get an owie, it goes to your
Here,
brain.
put it on here.
let me put it on. Ooh.
Okay, ready?
Brain. Choose Smart Parts.
That's what it sounds like.
Fun facts. Your brain contains about 86 billion
Forgot
neurons.
that.
For more information,
The Iron
press the
Man.
forward arrow. Smart System.
Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.
Oh, scary eyeball.
Watch, I have to do something.
Oh, the eye zoom.
Can I see?
I'll see you next time. Get it?
I'll see you.
I see you. I'll see you. I see you next time.
See you.
Thanks for watching.
No drama, yeah, yeah.